Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out. I don't know how new this is. I had never seen it, and I was searching for something at Ulta and I found this, and it is the Benefit Happy Velvet Powder Foundation. And I thought, well, why have I never heard of this? Why have I never seen it? It's probably like really old and I just don't know it. But anywho, we're gonna try it today because I really want something that I can wear when I really don't want to wear anything. Something super simple, something super light, natural, and I just want it. I want to throw it on really quick over moisturizer. I just want to put that on, throw on some liner, some brows, and go. Maybe a little contour. So anyways, that's what we're going to try today. I don't know if it's going to work. I usually don't have a lot of luck with powder foundations because wrinkles, you know, and stuff like that. And it usually just gets cakey, but we are going to try it. We're going to do, it's got a brush and a sponge in it. We're not going to use either one of these, of course, but we're going to use a brush because I just want it really light. I'm going to put it right over moisturizer. I'm just going to put a brush on it, spray it, put on some contour brows. It's going to be super quick. You guys are going to love it. However, before we start that, I want to do a quick review of this sleep mask that I was sent. It was sent to me from an Amazon store. It's called Eslife, E-S-L-I-F-E. I'll have a link below for this mask, their store. But anyways, I agreed to do a review on it because they sent it to me. And you never can have too many sleep masks, right? And it sounded really good. And I have to say, it's not my favorite because I'm going to give you the negatives first. Because it's not deep enough. And it's just because I have the perfect sleep mask already. And so this one would be great if you don't have lash extensions, because that's really the only problem with it. Otherwise, it has this little, it's adjustable right here. It has this little buckle, and then it has this little velvet slide that goes right over this buckle. It's super silky soft. This is memory foam in here, so it's really comfortable. And it's got this little curtain by your nose to keep the light from coming in, so it's really dark. So it's a really good sleep mask if you don't have extensions, because it's just not deep enough for my extensions. So I did want to give it, I do give it a thumbs up. I'm just telling you, if you don't have extensions, it's a great one, and it's so much more affordable than the one that I really love because it is deep. I love the Tempur-Pedic one, and that one's $29, and this one is $9.99, and I have a code for it too for 20% off, so that'll bring it down to $8. So it's really reasonable, and I will link all of that below, because coming up, Prime Day is like next week, and it may be even cheaper. I don't know, it didn't say, but if they mark it down and then you use the 20% off, that's almost a steal, huh? All right, so like I said, what we're gonna do is gonna be quick and easy. So I'm gonna start off with I'm using my CeraVe. I'm just gonna put on some moisturizer. And I didn't put any on because I have so much to do today. You guys know I'm leaving for California next Wednesday. So if there's no video, I couldn't find anything to make a video out of, because I wanted to pre-film a couple so that they'd be here, you know, they'd come up on their days, but I just don't have anything new. So put in the comments if you want me to do something else. It has to be like quick though, because like I said, I'm leaving next Wednesday and I will be gone for 13 days. So that'll be 2 misses if I don't get any pre-made. But I'm gonna try. I'm still gonna try. But I would love for you guys to put in the comments some video suggestions that you'd like to see while I'm gone. So, okay, got the moisturizer on. We're gonna go in with the powder, straight in with the powder. This is the number 4, and it's a little bit light, I think, but I'm hoping with, since I'm just doing it a light one, it'll be fine. It's a little bit yellow. I remember the girl at Ulta telling me that it ran a little yellow. That should be okay for me. I run a little yellow. I can definitely see the yellow though. Because this is what I want. Just a little bit of powder. I should have put concealer on, huh? We're not. We're gonna do this like we're in a big hurry, which I usually am. But I just wanted something simple. So, no concealer. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good so far. Very light coverage. Ooh. So we're gonna go in with a little bit more. See if we can get a little more coverage out of it. I just don't want it to end up being cakey. All right, I think that's enough. And it's just barely there. But it just kind of smoothed it out a little bit. So now I'm going to spray this and press it in. I think I'm going to use my all-nighter, even though I love my spray ones. And then I'm going to press it in. Yeah, it really looks like I'm not wearing anything. So I don't know if it's worth it. I probably should have done 1/2 of my face. Anyway, we're just gonna keep going. I'm gonna let that dry for just a sec. I really just wanted it to even my skin tone. This feels good. It's gonna be a hot dog today. All right, now we're gonna go in with a little bit of contour. I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown. Just give us a little more shape, a little more color. Rid of these jowls a little bit. Pull up that jawbone. Get to my nose. Pull this around into my crease a little bit. Just like that, because that's really all we're gonna get. And then a little on the outer corner. Give us some lift. There, a little down here. And we're done with that. I don't know if I got enough. Right there. But we're gonna go with it. Okay, so now I'm going to do my brows. and I'm gonna put on some liner. I did finally get a new liner. I got this NYX liner. Maybe we'll do that first since I have it in my hand. All right, so this is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And we're just gonna do a quick line. Maybe I'll just leave these up here. Nice and close to the lash. Just a little wing. And then we're gonna do my brows, and for my brows I'm going to use my CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. I've really been enjoying this lately. We'll see how long that lasts. Mine is in the color Soft Blonde. Even though my eyebrows are definitely not soft blonde, it seems like it's dark enough for me though. Kind of. Sometimes I think I can't see it at all. But then when I get downstairs in natural light, it's like, oh, no, it's fine. It's dark enough. Maybe it just darkens after it dries and I don't realize it. Anyway, that's as good as it's gonna get. This is supposed to be quick anyways. So basically that is it. This is what I was looking for. I'm gonna put on a little Laneige lip gloss. Well, it's not lip gloss, it's lip mask, but I like it as a gloss. Just enough shine to it to make you feel put together, and voila, we are done. What do you think? You think it's a look? No concealer, no primer, powder foundation, very lightly done with a little spray on it, and contour, liner and brows. I think it's a perfect summer look. I mean, it's not much. It's not. And you know what? I always was a full coverage, gotta have everything covered up kind of girl, and I have changed over the years since I've been on YouTube. I am now a light coverage, just cover up my spots and don't sink in my wrinkles, and I'm good. But I do think this is a look that I could live with, like if I'm going to the beach or something like that. Especially, I don't even care if I have makeup on at the beach, but like if we're gonna go out to eat before we go to the beach or something, just a little. This is also Walmart makeup. Not that I'm not afraid to go to Walmart without any makeup on. Trust me, I do that all the time. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am giving it a thumbs up. As far as what I wanted it for, it's perfect. And I wouldn't buy a powder foundation probably at all to do a real full makeup look, because it just doesn't work for me, because by the time I get it sprayed and everything underneath, you know, it's too much. It just doesn't look well on my mature skin. Usually. There was one that I liked, but I was still into that full coverage stuff, and that Makeup Forever one, that was a good one, but like I said, I was still into that full coverage stuff. Now if you want something light, this I think is perfect. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday. And I will see you in my next video. Oh, and thanks for watching my videos. Mwah!